We are here at Heli-Tours of Orlando. Just dropped the rigs off, trailers off. Now we're gonna have a day off and fly. I've never been in a helicopter. Have you been in a helicopter?
Once.
Once. Jared's been in a helicopter once.
All right, boys, what we doing?
We're about to get on a helicopter. We drive monster trucks, but this is different.
Sweet! Hop on in, brother. You come on. All the way down. Seatbelt, boys. Seatbelt for me, boss.